Hello, nice people. My name is Wilfredo, and I am a host because Mr. Okamoto is cleaning the basement right now. It's episode. Um, I'm really nervous, guys. Oh, yeah, it's episode 25. Thank you, Shelley. Today is the day I wish everyone a happy Valentine's Day. What? It's not Valentine's Day. Wish everyone a happy birthday. Oh, yeah. That's right, Mr. Griffin. My mistake. I'd like to say happy birthday to Tara. Happy birthday, Angus. Happy birthday, Matt. And happy birthday, Mr. Atto. I hope your birthdays were extra special. Now, all our friends would like to sing happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear everyone. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Happy birthday, everyone! Okay, friends, it's time to sing our goodbye song. Please sing along.
The music time is over. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye until the next time. Goodbye, goodbye,
I've been looking forward to handing out the music star all week. Oh, this is going to be awesome. Today's star goes to our friend Yay! Don't forget to work hard, work smart, and work together. Have a great day and keep on singing.